untuk mengisi hatiku. Aku ingin mama muda, yang santai pakai lebih mengganggu untuk mengisi hatiku. Kalau ngana rindu, coba dengar di lagu.
Makisulat ang followan sa mga salita 426,745,191,817. Sports, transportasyon, dulay, volleyball, bangka, talong, soccer, eroplano, labanos, basketball, jeepney, kamote tops. Pag-alfabeto, marami, fumadon, kabayo, guro, gabi, hugasan, ahas, janitor, nama, kumain, alligator, doktor, mabait, sabing, tigre, karpintero. WH tanong, naglalaro ang mga kaibigan ko sa playground. Sino ang naglalaro sa palaruan? Aking mga kaibigan. Saan nagpupunta ang aking mga kaibigan? Palaruan si Jean. Ben ay isang magaling na doktor. Siya ay nagpapagaling ng mga may sakit. Sino ang magaling na doktor? G. Ben, ano ang kanyang ginagawa? Siya ay nagpapagaling ng mga may sakit. Rina, aking guro. Ang pangalan ko ay Rina. Ako ay 8 taong gulang. Nag-aaral ako sa Chennai, India. Gusto ko ang art class ko. May art teacher din si Rina. Gumagawa kami ng pagguhit at pagpipinta 2 beses sa isang linggo. Nagplano ang aming paaralan na magsagawa ng artwork ngayong taon ng akademya. Ang isang pamilya ay isang ama at kanilang mga anak. Ang pamilyang ito ay nakatira sa isang malaking kayumanging bahay. Ang Esmeralda ay isang matingkad na berdeng liyas. Napasuot ang prinsesa ng kwintas ng mga Esmeralda. Ang agila ay isang malaking mabangis na ibon. Ang isang agila ay gumagawa ng kanyang pugad sa mataas na tuktok ng bundok. Ang balahibo ay bahagi ng pantakip sa balat ng ibon. Ang loro ay may maraming makukulay na balahibo. Ang mukha ay ang harap na bahagi ng ulo. Makikita sa mukha mo kung masaya ka o malungkot. May sombrero ang babae. Sinusuot niya ang kanyang bagong sombrero araw-araw. Sino ang may sombrero? Ang batang babae. Ano ang mayroon siya? Mainit. Kailan ba siya nagsusuot ng hihat? Everyday pumapasok si Bea sa school. Sino ang pumapasok sa paaralan? Bea, kailan siya pumapasok sa paaralan? Araw-araw.
Write the following in words. 426, 319, 745, 191, 817. Volleyball, airplane, basketball, eggplant, radish, jeepney, boat, soccer, kamote tops. Sports, transportation, vegetable, volleyball, boat, eggplant, soccer, airplane, radish, basketball, jeepney, kamote tops. Spelling, champion, children, shampoo, teacher, cheese, church, shop, shoes, chicken, shower. Alphabetization, many, night only kind. Jump, wash, it says. Horse, snake, alligator, tiger. Teacher, janitor, doctor, carpenter. Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right question. My friends are playing in the playground. Who play in the playground? My friends. Where do my friends go playground? Mr. Ben is a good doctor. He cures sick people. He cures sick. Whoa. Is a good doctor, Mr. Ben. What does he do? Is cure sick people. Reina, my teacher. My name is Reina. I'm 8 years old and studying in Chennai, India. I like my art class a lot. My art teacher's name is also Reina. We do drawing and painting twice a week. Our school plan to conduct an art work this academic year. Family. A family is a father and their children. This family lives in a big brown house. Emerald is a bright green jewel. The princess wore a necklace of emeralds. Eagle. An eagle is a large bird. An eagle makes its nest right on high on a mountain top.
Ang kabablat na yan eh, kaparagpat lang.
Feather. A feather is part of the covering on a bird's skin. A parrot has many colorful feathers. Face. The face is the front part of the head. Your face shows whether you are happy or sad.
Basta kabasa ka.
The girl has a new hat. She wears her new hat every day. Who hat? A hat. The girl.
Makuna, who has a hat? Who has a hat? The girl. Ano pa lang?
What does she have? Hat. Where does the girl has a new hat? She wears her new hat every day. Who has a hat? The girl. What does she have? Hat. Where does she wear he hat every day? Bea goes to school every day. Wo goes to school. Bea. When does she go to school every day?
Amura.
Diamonds in the sky. Cause you do what I be. That kind of shout of love. Papaliyada mamuda. Let me do the big jump. Everybody do the bump. Yeah. Let me do the big jump. Let me do the big jump. Everybody do the bump. Hey, let me see the big jump.
Tabak ka, ikaw. Para taas to.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blue, blue. Yay! Yay!
Di na ko dyan, huwag man.
Ano ka?